Now see that pollination we saw. Pollination means the process by which pollen grains reach stigma. Pollen grain where it is present and the stigma, it is a stigma. So the process only we called as in a pollination. So what are that, how it is transfer means with the help of wind. Okay, wind it is carried to here or otherwise one flower to another flower. It is you see that in a nectar in a flower. Yes dama, honey irka sweet இருக்கதா நமக்கு தெரியும் ஃப்ளாரில். why it is means because it attract the insects. ஸோ insects வந்து இதில் ஹனியை சக் பண்ண உட்காரப்ப what happen na, it is the pollen it is attached to the leg of the insects. So after what happen, another flower it going the time, the pollen it reached to attach to that in a stigma it is having that in a sticky in nature. Okay, so the pollen grains attached here. Okay ma, so what is that in a agent? Okay, wind, insects, likewise it is an agent, it helping for in a doing a pollination, that is we called a pollinators. Okay, so these are all the we called as a pollinators. Okay ma. Okay, this is a self pollination and cross pollination. Okay, so pollination occur after what happened? What happened means male organ it is developed, that male part of the plant is the androecium, it is a organ, it is developed that in a gamete pollen grain. Likewise gynoecium developed that in a ovule. So both it is combined through the process of pollination. Okay, ரெண்டும் எப்போ combine ஆகுது? process of pollination. So pollination means transfer. Okay ma, so transfer ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் both it is joined to form a zygote. Zygote it is developed that in a fruit it is developed that in a seed it developed that in a new plant. This is only the outline sketch for in a sexual reproduction in flower. Okay, so now what happened it is, so you see that here it is in a ovary onwards. After that in attachment of that in a stigma, okay, the pollen it is enter into through the pollen tube, it reach that in a ovule. After it is combined to form that in a zygote. So that only it is explained in a zygote. Okay ma, it developed that in a fruit on which developed that a seed it is produced that in a new plant. Okay, so after that in a seed development it is detailedly given in a picture, page number 61 onwards. Look at that in a picture. Okay ma, so after that seed development, now it is developed into the fruit. Brinjal is one of the fruit. Okay, so it is having that in a two sections rama. This is a top to bottom we are cutting means that is we called as in a longitudinal section. Top to bottom we are cutting means this is a longitudinal section. So in a cross manner cutting means this is a transverse section. This is we mention as in a ls of what? ls of fruit. Okay, this is a ts of this is a ts of fruit. Okay, this is also fruit drama. Okay, okay, now it is in a transverse section. You see that this is a top to bottom we are cutting, so this is we called a ls. Cross manner cutting, this is a ts. Okay ma, so now it is entered into that in a fruit. So do you able to see that what is the seed here? Yes, this is a seed, this is a ovary. Okay ma, this is a ovary only it is enlarged, it is happened. Likewise this is a ovule it convert into seed. Here you see that the center part it is in a seed, ovule it convert into seed. Okay, so after that the ovary it is having likewise. Here you see that this is a seed, The ovary, it is enlargement is having that. This is a ovary. This is a ovary. Okay, ma. Here, this is a ovary. This is a seed. Okay, ovule only convert into seed. Here, this is a ovary. Okay, ma. So, this is ovule, it's converted to seed. Okay. So what happened? What happened? It is in a flower onwards. What is the difference after fertilization? It's happen. Okay. So what happened means after fertilization, you see that calyx. Okay, calyx means the green color part of the part. It is in a persist with the fruit. You see that here also fruit. This is a fruit. Here also it is present that in a calyx. That is in a chapel. It is present after also. Okay. Then petals, you see that in a colorful part of the flower, it is wither off means it is fell down. Okay, after fertilization இது வந்து fell down ஆயிரும். Okay, yeah. So after androecium, you see that in androecium here having a no, that is also fall off, that is also fell down. Okay, from that in a flower onwards. Then pistil, you see that in a pistil means that is in a androecium. Okay, so pistil is a gynoecium. The gynoecium, it is what part it is in a remaining. Okay, so that means the ovary part it is having as in a remaining. Okay, the stigma part it is having as in a small. You see that it is a small in structure here. Okay, then ovary. Where is the ovary here? This is a ovary. I said, this is a ovary. This is a ovary. Okay, outer coat only we called as an ovary. Okay, ma. Ovule, what happened? The ovule here convert into seed. Ovule convert into seed. Ovule convert into seed. This is happened after fertilization. Okay, ma. So you have to do that in a, you have to do the activity 3. Okay, so what it is given, you see that in a collect the any one of the flower. Okay, so flower onwards you have to split into sepal, petal, stamen, pistil and label the parts also. Okay, this one you have to do it in that in a A4 sheet. Okay, ma. And paste it and send it on that in a Saturday. Thank you.